Go hintach fad.
Wonderful.
Go hintach fad.
Wonderful.
No, go hintach means wonderful.
Wonderful.
Okay, so really wonderful, that's just more than wonderful. Okay, go hintach fad.
It's a good thing my friends and I never heard the story. Her rat used to go swimming with us.
Okay, go hintach fad is wonderful altogether, or just wonderful. Ugly winter Hamelin.
For the people of Hamelin.
Ugly winter Hamelin. Called out.
Called out.
The word glee is call, so you can say, normally if you want to say call me, you say Kur glich or put a call on me. Kur glich ora. Okay?
Winter Hamelin.
The people of Hamelin.
Hamelin. Oh.
And then they say,
Did he give
Haboil and Pibera Shen. Haboil. It's an English word, but Haboil and Pibera Shen.
Hail?
Saved.
Saved. Saboil. Haboil and Pibera Shen.
Hyper saved.
Hyper saved us. So saved, it's the same as saved, Saboil, okay? Haboil, saved, and Pibera Shin. Shin is like Mwij. You can say Haboil and Pibera Mwij, or Shin is us, okay?
Oh, Shin. Oh.
Shin, right.
Oh, I thought it was this guy, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Vi ahas and dawan orha. Vi ahas and dawan orha.
They were very,
They were very happy.
Very happy.
Okay?
Joy to the world. Joy to the world.
Vi ahas and dawan.
Was happiness
The happiness of the world.
Order.
Joy of the world.
of the
Happiness of the world was on them. They were very happy. The happiness of the world. Dawan without the I is world, and Dawin is of the world. Okay, on them. How do you say I'm really happy?
Yeah.
I am really happy.
Ta'asam.
Ta'ahas orem or ta'ahas and Dawin orem. I'm very happy, okay? It says, Los Shiad Tina War.
Fire?
Fire, yeah. Los Shiad Tina War. What do you think Tina War would be?
Big fire.
Okay, so Las Shiad Tina
They made
They
a
lit a
big
big
fire.
Fire.
They
Okay,
lit a
Las
big-
is to light.
The light
So
lit a
lit they
big fire.
fire big.
Fire.
Las Shiad Tina War. They lit a big fire. Okay. Don Shiad Lechela on Fannachicha Ekana agus ag Dausa. So Don Shiad Lechela.
They stayed together.
They stayed together on Don Shiad Lechela on. It's like on Shin. There. Fat Nahicha.
They did the
All
night.
Through the night.
Through the night.
Don Shiad Lechela on.
Made the together?
Yeah, Fat Nahicha. Okay. Don Shiad Lechela on Fanahicha. Pen here. Ekana.
Singing
Agus ag Dausa.
and dancing.
Agus ag Dausa, right. So, Don Shid they stayed, Lechela's together, on means there, it's like in Shin. Fanahicha, this is that I mentioned, Fat tree, Hura and Chlig for 3 hours at the clock. Fanahicha for the space of the night, or something like that. Okay? Fanahicha. You can say Fachan lay for the space of the day, for the day. Fashachtana for a week. Okay? Fanahicha for the night. Ikana singing, Agus Igdausa and dancing. Okay?
Okay,
An wedgen in a yeshen,
good morning.
Jir and Pibra mila punt an mera. Okay? So an wedgen in a yeshen.
The next
The
morning.
morning.
Next
Morning
morning.
after.
Okay? So an wedgen in a yeshen. So it's the morning following that. It's literally in the after of that. Okay, in that's afterness or something like that. In a yeshen. Okay, and wedgen in a yeshen. Jir and Pibera milapunt mera.
Ask the piper asked the mayor for his,
Oh, yeah.
for his £1,000,000 or
No,
Gee,
thousand.
ask.
Yes, oh, yes, for 1,000.
Okay? Jir means to ask for something, and you ask it on someone. So Jir and Pibera, the piper asked, milapunt, £1,000, and mera on the mayor.
on the mayor.
So he asked the mayor for £1,000, literally asked he £1,000 on the mayor. Okay? And then Egmaga avime inye ernoi arsa and mera. So Egmaga avime inye erno ernu or ernoi or good way to say that one. Ernoi arsa and mera. So Egmaga. Egmaga. Joking.
Oh, I was only kidding.
Egmaga avime inye. Okay? Okay. Illinois. Okay. Egmaga is joking. Avime I was yesterday. Joking I was yesterday. Okay. And this one you hear ernu, ernoi, erno. Okay, a few different ways. Means of course. Okay.
How come they don't just say kincha?
Kincha would be a little different. Yeah, you can use it there. Ursa, the mayor. The mayor. Okay. Ach yoitu kwegapuntwem marshin hain. Ach yoitu kwegapuntwem.
What?
I'll give you £50.
No, fuck, oh, fuck me.
Yeah, go get it.
Okay. Yoitu is you'll get.
You
Okay.
get £50.
I could get 50.
Okay. Yoitu kwega punt wem. Okay.
You got £50 from me.
Yoitu, you will get kwega punt £50 wem from me. Marshenhen means anyways, nevertheless. Okay. Martian hay. Okay. Lauer and Pibera go faragach.
You, piper
That's a
answered
piper.
angrily.
Okay.
Angry, the paper.
So Lauer and Pibera go faragach. So Lauer and Pibera go faragach spoke to Piper angrily.
Angrily.
Okay. Lauer and Pibera go faragach.
That's angrily?
Angrily. So faragach by itself means angry. Go faragach means angrily. Okay. Kini and Kega Pont Neil Shewem. So Kini and Kega Pont. Kini and Kega Pont. Another expression is Kinyal gemacht. Kinyal gemacht.
Take that
Fire.
£50 and shut
Okay.
Not exactly a direct translation.
Roughly, I guess. Okay,
It is not.
Quinny, it means keep.
Oh,
Okay, and Kingal Gemach means keeping on going.
I don't want.
Quinny and Quigapon, keep the 50 pounds. Neil Shawem,
I
I don't want it or I don't need it, okay? Okay?
Money is masculine?
Pont is. Actually, it doesn't, yeah.
15.
Yeah, use chef if you don't know one way or the other, but yeah, pont is masculine. Okay? Quinny and Quigapon, Neil Shawem, ach Jerem Shalat Gomei Bronort.
But you're going to be sorry.
Okay, ach Jerem Shalat,
I tell you.
I tell you,
You're
regret
going
it.
to
Gomei
be sorry.
Bronort, okay?
You'll be sorry.